Hi folks, I'm Denzel, and of course we've been doing these yoga exercises. The Anulom Vilom is what I'm going to be talking about in this video. We've done another video on this, which was a simple Anulom Vilom. That was without stopping your breath at any point in time. This is with stopping your breath. So it's a little different to the last one. Yeah. The Anulom Vilom is essentially a breathing exercise where you alternate nostrils. So you breathe in from one nostril and you breathe out from the other. Then you breathe in from the other nostril and breathe out. So it's just a kind of direction that you will take. So therefore, it's called alternate nostril breathing. It's extremely easy. All you need to do is keep, yes, this is important, the tissue, because sometimes when you're breathing, your nose might leak in inverted commas, and you just need to sort that out. But otherwise, it's really comfortable. All you need to do is sit like this in a comfortable position. If you can't sit on the floor, then just take a chair, but keep your feet firmly planted in front of you on the ground. You have to make the Vishnu mudra. This is the Vishnu mudra. Yeah. So you take your index finger and your second finger and fold them in like this. Yeah. Just simply like that. That's all you need to do. And then this is your thumb, and then you have your ring finger and your little finger. And keep your other hand by your side. You can keep it comfortably. You can keep it in the chin mudra, which is this. This is another mudra. I will be talking about the mudras separately. But yeah, it's extremely simple. That's all you need to do. And remember that you have to start this on a breathe out count, not a breathe in count. So to begin, Kumbhaka or breath holding is practiced in the ratio of 1:1:1. That is 1 inhale, 1 breath hold, and 1 exhale. Thereafter, once you're used to it, you can use a 1:2 ratio. Or for instance, if you are inhaling for 4 counts, you can retain your breath for 8 counts and exhale for 8 counts. Later on, you can increase the ratio to 1:3:2. And finally, to a 1:4:2 ratio. So simply, we're going to be changing the ratio here. We're going to do a simpler ratio, and that ratio is the 1:2 ratio. Yeah. So the 1:2 means if you breathe in 1, you retain for 2, and then you breathe out for 2. Is that easy? Your breathe out should always be twice as much as your breathe in. Just remember that ratio. It's very easy then to remember. Yeah. So we'll do this. Breathe in, breathe out, and then you begin. You hold your right nostril and breathe in. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you hold your left nostril. So both your nostrils are blocked now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then you're breathing out from your right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And now you're breathing in from your right. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, and then block your nostrils. So both your nostrils are blocked. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then you breathe out from your left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Easy? Practice your Anulom Vilom Pranayama with Kumbhaka for breath hold in the 1:2:2 ratio for a couple of months. When you can hold your breath for twice as much as you inhale, raise the retention to 4 times. That is, in a ratio of 1:4:2. So now you inhale for 4 counts, you hold for 16 counts, and you exhale for 8 counts. Remember that this pranayam has to be done gently. There is no forceful exhale or inhale. I will be doing the extended ratio. I will. You just do it with me. That's easy. So you got your right hand in the chin mudra. You hold. You breathe in and breathe out, and breathe in and breathe out. So when you breathe out, then you hold, you block your right nostril, something like this, and then you breathe in from your left. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you hold it. That means you close both your nostrils. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. And then you do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Is that simple? So you've actually breathed in from one nostril for 4 counts. You've held it for 16 counts, and then you breathed out 8 counts. So let's do it once completely, both of us. Yeah. So you breathe in, and then you breathe out, and then you breathe in. Calm, nice, long, deep breath, and then you breathe out completely, as much as you can empty your lungs of your breath. And then you take your right thumb and you block your right nostril and breathe in through your left. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you hold your left nostril, which means you block your left nostril too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Breathe out through your right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Breathe out, breathe in through your right. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then block your right nostril. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. And then you breathe out through your left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Simple? It's as easy as apple pie. That's as simple as it is. Now, how many rounds should you be doing of this? Ideally, you should be doing 3 rounds, but you can take it to 5 rounds when you become more comfortable with it. When do you need to do it? You can do it at any point in time in the day. It gives you a lot of energy. It builds up your immunity. It gets a lot of fresh pran, fresh air into your lungs. It gives you lots of new energy. So that's the idea behind this exercise. Hope you liked it. Yeah. And you can, of course, leave your comments at the bottom, and then we can chat, because if there are any suggestions that you have, anything that you'd like to add, subtract, whatever that might be. बहुत साधारण, it's very, very easy. So you can do it at home, do it any point in time of the day, do it as many times as you can, because that will actually replenish the energy within you. And of course, stay happy, stay safe. Don't forget to actually subscribe to my YouTube channel. Yeah, press that subscription button at the bottom so that we can share as many videos as we can with you. Meditation and yoga is what I mainly talk about, but I can talk about a lot of other stuff, where, of course, within the realm of you and me, and then we can take this fantastic relationship ahead. So stay safe, stay happy, God bless, and Denzel says bye.